I'm Kerry Nicol from the University of Reading, and we have a project which is funded by the UE Rain Enhancement Programme, and the idea behind that is to study the effect of charge on cloud droplets. This project has been brilliant in terms of actually physically enabling us to develop new technology, to actually get into clouds and to release charge and to study it firsthand rather than to just model it. What we're doing here is something that's completely different. We're using unmanned aircraft, which means that things are actually much more cost effective. We're simply charging up what's already there. So the aircraft is currently flying in small circles around our surface electric field mill. So as it flies around, it's emitting charge into the air that we are detecting on the surface with an electric field mill at the ground.
Systems battery on.
There's a lot of time and effort is put into actually making the aircraft in the first place. All the meteorological sensors that you see on the aircraft we've actually designed ourselves, and we've made them because you can't buy them off the shelf. The promise behind charging particles is that this technique might well work in tandem with the existing cloud seeding. If you can charge the particles that are emitted from the manned aircraft, then this might actually make them more efficient at producing rainfall. And so I think there's a way to sort of merge this technique with the existing technique to improve things, and that's something that we want to look at in the future.